What's up guys, it's Evan from Handstand Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a handstand for a long time for beginners. Alright, so I'm talking like holding it still, like no walking or anything, alright? So basically, let's start with the kick up. So what you're going to do, just be like this, whatever is your dominant leg, and you're just going to kick it up like that. So have your arms out like there, right here, and then bend your right leg or whatever your leg is in front, and then kick your back leg up. And it's going to take a while to get like the right momentum. Make sure you don't go too far over. Make sure you kick enough to get in the handstand. But so you can just practice that before you start like trying to hold it. Making sure you get a good kick, a consistent kick. So yeah, just practice that. Make sure you like get it dialed down every time. You can just go perfectly straight up. So once you got the kick up, then you can start trying to hold the handstand. Alright, so basically it's all in the hands and the fingers and the wrists. Everything happens right here. It also helps to have a tight core, tight body, keeping everything really tight. But it's mostly like balancing in the fingers and wrists and stuff. Alright, so what you're going to do, here, you want to zoom in a little? Alright, so what I'm constantly doing is putting pressure on my fingers. You'll see me when I'm holding handstand, I'm constantly pushing down into my fingers, or like pushing down into the ground with my fingers and like controlling my body. So if I feel a little bit like I'm going too far, I'm going to push, and then it will push me back to where I want to be. And then say if I'm going too much like this way, falling over back to my feet, I'm gonna use my palms to like kind of push in. And also if I'm falling a lot, I can bend my arms to save it and push back up. Alright. One other trick helps if you're falling like way over. I don't know why this works, but it does. If you're falling way over, you can like tuck your head into your chest, and it like helps a lot. So I'm gonna kick like way over and try to save it. So here, so say I'm falling over here. Like I was gonna fall over, but like I put my head in and it like saved me. I don't know, it's just a weird trick that works. That's pretty much it. It's all in the fingers and wrists. So once you get up there, see as I'm like pushing down with my fingers, I'm keeping everything tight as well. Just like this. I'm working as hard as I can to balance and everything. Just like this. And then if I'm falling too forward, I can bend my arms a little bit, go back up. Ugh. That's pretty much it, guys. The main thing is practice. You gotta practice a ton. Every day, take like 20-30 minutes out of your day, practice handstands, just going up. You can even practice on the wall to get the shoulder strength if you're not strong enough to just hold it. But yeah, just practice every day, and soon enough you'll get it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how to do a handstand for a long time for beginners. Thanks for watching.
So I wanted to share something really quick with you. If you want to change your life, if you want your life to be changed and you're not happy with the way your life is going, maybe you're not successful, maybe you're not happy, maybe you're not joyful, whatever it is, guys, you got to change your way of thinking, and you got to, find the joy and peace right now. And how you do that is, I'll share more about that, but just being thankful is one of the tips, and way more. But if you want to hear more about that, just click the link in the description and I'll share it to you. Alright, thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to do a handstand for a long time for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and God bless.